Hi. We have to do this without the normal microphone, so you have to take it from the telephone, so I'll try to keep it loud. We are at the Harry Potter studio tour. I cannot begin to tell you how excited the Crafty Nana has been. It's been like Christmas for her. She wasn't even sure she'd be able to sleep last night. She's that excited.
Go to sleep to come for.
So it's expensive, but if you're a Potter fan like she is, it's definitely a gift. This is part of a ongoing things that I claim as a Christmas or birthday or whatever gift for her. So we're just on the entrance, as you can see. We've got these cool statues. There's a bloody great dragon behind me. What about that? That's amazing. It's beautiful. This is only the waiting area. We're not even in yet. We're just getting ready, but this dragon is huge.
That's it, keep coming in folks, don't stop at the doorway. We can get 400 cars in Murray here, I'm sure we can fit you all in. Setting off a huge array of fireworks, culminating in a massive dragon firework which chases off Professor Umbridge. Set. Now, from one special effect demonstration to another special effect demonstration. Come all the way down in the front folks, gather along the ropes here, push the kids through to the front, because we are going to demonstrate the effect that happened when the Weasley twins flew over the hour examination tests.
And now that you're here.
Yeah. Unaged.
Glaube ich nicht.
Not the old furniture. Amazing how they've aged it. It's all but hey.
You ready? Put your hands over. Say up.
Een aantal waren groen, waren een paar groene die waren
Something that will be happening after most of the filming has been completed. A good example of this is Dobby. Does anyone like the character Dobby?
The magical side. We'd actually be wrong. This is definitely the more...
So we are in the Harry Potter studio tour, and at the moment we're at the Backlot Cafe, which is about halfway through the tour. I'm going to have a vegetarian burger here. I'm going to do a review on that as well. I'm going to have loaded fries as well, just to make up for the fact that go for a vegetarian burger when there are much better options, I'm sure, but we'll try it, have some fun. Change of plan, I was going to have a vegetarian or a sweet chicken burger, but guess what? They've got no vegetarian burgers. That's really bad for Potter people. However, I don't really like vegetarian, I'm just doing it for the film, so I get a good one. So this is the curry chicken salad, and this is the backlocked burger, which is actually nice and meaty, very tasty. I couldn't get the vegan burger because they don't have any in stock, I guess. Anyway, just want to say, if you come to the Harry Potter studio for the tour, the food is good. The backlocked burger was delicious, the fries were delicious, and the salad was very, very good. So no problems, no complaints. Who lives in a house like this?
Sitting at their desks.
Mega scans. That's the ghost ship. No, you're not wrong.
The biggest one is always last.
Of course, there's a massive shop, so you can spend all your money on the way out. Yeah. Nice yellow. I suppose I chose blue, so that's nothing wrong with that.
That's a short sleeve.